What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over our friend Bitcoin. Currently sitting at 21.3K, up about 1.6 on the day. Same market cap of 47 billion. 24-hour volume 21.15 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bitget, sign up, grab up to 8K in bonuses, or Bybit up to 30K in bonuses. Email me your sign up email to either or. I'll give you completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. So let's hop over into the chart analysis here for Bitcoin. So I think we're coming down in an ABC correction. We may be putting in a little bit of a double top, and then you would come down in a wave C. So what you want to look for the price of BTC is if it breaks this high, then it's unlikely, unless it's an overshooting wave B, it's unlikely that this is an ABC correction. But this is a bit shallow for the wave 4. We haven't come down to the minimum target of about, I can move this up a little bit, 20.1K, which is the 236. But of course, anything can happen in the crypto space. But it looks like a classic ABC setup. So if you see it start to break down, look for a 5-way move into a C to bring you down to our target zone for a wave 4 pullback for the price of Bitcoin. Looking at this chart here, the 20 EMA is starting to catch up to the candles, just as price is consolidating here. Of course, price can just continue to consolidate. I've seen it before. While the EMAs catch up to the candles, and then you see continuation. But I am expecting at least a little bit more pullback to retest this strong support that we absolutely blasted through. Now, another sign that we could see further pullback is the DXY. We have a juicy bullish divergence. We created a lower low. Massive higher low on the 4-hour RSI. Little bit of a double bottom or an inverse head and shoulders, where you would have your left shoulder, this is your head, this is your right shoulder. So I definitely think you could break back up to the top of this channel, potentially break out of this channel, push a little bit higher, maybe fake out before seeing continuation down, because of course the price of the DXY increasing is negative for Bitcoin, and the DXY coming down is positive for the price of BTC. So if this divergence plays out like I think it will, that's when you see Bitcoin put in the wave C. And then potentially you see the DXY start to roll over, and Bitcoin will start to push up in that wave 5. The Dow Jones is very close to the neckline of the double top. Just watch this carefully here, because if this neckline does break, then the technical target is all the way down here at about 3,958 for the Dow Jones. All right, gang, so just a quick little update for Bitcoin. I do think the ABC is likely, but if we do come up and break that previous high, there is, of course, a chance of an exaggerated ABC correction where the B wave breaks the A wave high. But I don't think that's a likely scenario. If we were to break to the upside, then there is potential of a really shallow wave 4, but I don't think it's likely. We'll have to see how everything plays out. I think the more probable scenarios, at least to come down in the ABC correction. But we'll see what happens. Nothing's promised. You only can trade and do analysis based off probabilities. So sign up to either Bybit or Bitget. Grab those bonuses. Email me your sign up email. Completely free access to over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. The 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis signals, crypto news, as well as you can see how the members are doing with their own trades. Mahado all plays 10 USD per month. Sign up to the Patreon link, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.